Today, I have something special for you. In today's video, we'll be covering the 5 best RC models of 2026, entry-level to pro-grade. After conducting extensive research across multiple websites, I've compiled a list of options that cater to different types of buyers. Whether you're focused on price, performance, or a specific use case, I'm here to help. For more details about each product, you'll find the links in the description below. Please keep in mind that this is not a review video, but rather a product showcase. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and of course, subscribe to the channel. Number 5. The VS4-10 Phoenix RTR from Vanquish Products is a ready-to-run crawler built for performance and durability. It features a 35T VM1 motor and VE1 compatible with 3 S batteries, delivering smooth controlled power and excellent torque. Its VFD twin transmission comes with selectable overdrive and dig-ready functionality, allowing future upgrades without replacing major components. Out of the box, it runs with 6% overdrive for enhanced traction and climbing, high-clearance F10 straight axles, improve obstacle navigation, while a reinforced drivetrain with machined gears, chromoly spools, universal axle shafts, and full ball bearings ensures durability and reliability. The 8mm S8E shocks with easy preload adjustment, and stainless steel links provide stability, realistic handling, and a premium build. The Phoenix RTR is perfect for enthusiasts seeking immediate performance, rugged durability, and a crawler ready to evolve. Number 4. The Axial SCX 24 Basecamp 4x4 is a compact 1/24th scale rock crawler, ready to run and built for adventure right out of the box. Its brushed motor delivers smooth, reliable power, while the 4x4 drivetrain ensures consistent traction on rocks, dirt, and uneven terrain. Designed for scale realism, it features independent suspension, durable chassis components, and authentic crawler styling, giving both performance and a realistic off-road look. The compact size makes it perfect for indoor and outdoor crawling, while still tackling challenging obstacles with confidence. Lightweight yet durable, the SCX 24 Basecamp provides hours of fun and easy handling for both beginners and experienced drivers. Whether exploring trails, scaling rocks, or racing friends, this crawler combines performance, scale detail, and convenience in a ready-to-run package. Number 3. There are RC cars, and then there is the Traxxas X-Maxx X. If you are looking for the pinnacle of power in 1/8 scale, the X-Maxx X doesn't just redefine what a monster truck is, it redefines what is possible off-road. With relentless 4x4 traction and a colossal size, it was built to crush any obstacle in its path. Equipped with the VXL 8S system, we are talking about a brutal propulsion of over 30 volts of pure LiPo energy, resulting in gravity-defying acceleration and speeds exceeding 80 kilometers per hour. Thanks to the Traxxas Stability Management System, you maintain total control, turning raw power into pure fun, whether you are on dirt, mud, or snow. The secret of the X-Maxx lies in its strength. The ultra-tough modular chassis and all-metal drivetrain were engineered to absorb impacts that would destroy other models. And if it flips, the patented self-righting system puts the monster back on its wheels with the touch of a button, so the action never stops. With an aggressive design and cutting-edge engineering, the Traxxas X-Maxx X is the ultimate investment in adrenaline. If you are ready to dominate the terrain and leave the competition behind, your next level starts now. Traxxas X-Maxx X, maximum power and limitless fun. Number 2. If the Traxxas X-Maxx is the king of the mountain, the Arrma Kraton 4 SBLX is the prince of high-speed chaos. This machine bridges the gap between backyard bashing and professional-grade performance. Engineered for those who crave explosive speed without the massive footprint of a 1/5 scale, the Kraton 4S delivers a mid-size package with full-size aggression. At its core is the Spectrum Firma brushless power system, pushing this beast to speeds well over 80 kilometers per hour on a 4S LiPo battery. But it's not just about straight line speed, it's about the airtime. With its widened track and massive D-Boots copperhead tires, it offers incredible stability for backflips and massive jumps. The reinforced chassis and metal-geared transmission are built to take a beating and keep on screaming. It features a high-torque steering servo and the legendary Arma tough construction, ensuring that when you send it, it comes back for more. Whether you're tearing through gravel or launching off a ramp, the Kraton 4S offers a perfect balance of agility and raw power. It's the ultimate choice for the basher who wants extreme 4S performance in a truck that's easy to transport but impossible to ignore. Arma Kraton 4S BLX, designed fast, designed tough. Number 1. The Arlarlo Omni-Terminator is the new gold standard for high-speed, all-terrain carbon fiber performance. Engineered for those who demand elite precision in a compact 1:10 scale, this machine is a carbon fiber masterpiece built to withstand extreme bashing. At its core, the Omni-Terminator features a high-strength carbon fiber chassis and shock towers, providing the perfect balance of lightweight agility and rigid durability. Equipped with a brushless power system capable of handling 3S LiPo power, this beast hits speeds of over 80 kilometers per hour right out of the box. But it's not just about speed, it's about the engineering. With its all-metal oil-filled shocks, CVD steel drive shafts, and a fully adjustable suspension, the Omni-Terminator handles jumps and rough terrain with surgical precision. The integrated LED lighting system ensures the action doesn't stop when the sun goes down, while the wheelie bar keeps the front end planted during explosive launches. Whether you are tearing up the local track or sending it off massive ramps, the Arlarlo Omni-Terminator offers premium materials and top-tier performance at a value that challenges the industry giants. It's tough, it's fast, and it's built to dominate. Arlarlo Omni-Terminator, carbon fiber strength, terminal speed. I hope this video has been helpful and has clarified some of your doubts. To get more information about the products, or to find out which one fits your budget, just click on the links in the descriptions. I don't mention the prices of the products because when you're watching the video, the prices may not match, as they vary depending on the time of year and can also go on sale. See you in the next video.